For task 5, you're going to be substituting values in and deciding if the number sentence that comes out is going to be true or false. So just make sure you use that table on the top of the task to help you identify if it's a greater than or a less than sign. The problem I'm going to show you is just an equation just with an equal sign. So they're going to give you the problem. So the problem I'm going to do with you is 4 plus x equals 12. And they're going to tell you what to substitute. So we're going to substitute 8 in for x. So what you have to do is then you're going to show the work. So we're going to rewrite the expression 4 plus x equals 12. And now all I'm going to do is substitute 8 in for x. So we have 4 plus, instead of an x, we're going to put an 8 equals 12. I'm going to then work on both sides of the equal sign. So here I have 4 plus 8. That will give me 12. Over here, I have no math, so I'm just going to rewrite 12. So I have the number sentence 12 equals 12, which that is a true number sentence. So that one comes out to be true. Sometimes it's a lot easier if you say it out in word or out loud. That can kind of help you identify if it's a true or false statement. So go ahead and work on the other problems and then submit it when you're done.